Machine has a FANUC 18i MB5 4-axis control. We have a FADAL 4th axis rotary table. We're running right now. It is a 40 taper spindle. 2,000 right now. It goes up to 10,000. You have a 20 by 48 inch table with 40 inches of X travel, 20 inches of Y, and 20 inches of Z. 3,500 RPM. 5,500 RPM, nice and quiet. You have a side mounted tool changer. 7,000 RPM, that's high enough. Machine's equipped with rigid tapping, 24 station, again, dual arm side mounted tool changer. He's simulating a tool change. This machine also has a chip conveyor, coolant system with washdown, another tool change. That's the X-axis. Again, that's 40 inches in X, 20 by 48 table. That's your Y. You have telescopic way covers on the X and Y. And your Z. You also have a screw cover for the Z axis. You can see that the machine also has box ways. That's your B axis.